There's a nice breathing hole. Look at this one's completely closed. And he's like drooling or something. There's a breathing hole. You're all snotty. That's why you've gotten to be bigger than your brother, because he's not feeling good. That's better, huh? That's good. Because your mouth is so tiny. You've gotten to be quite the pro at spitting that pill out. Get the tongue off the roof of the mouth and down in like so. And then, oh, see, look at her. She gets it right off over the side. And then she struggles and is pissy. Yep. There it is. And try it again. Good push. There we go. There we go. We got it. We got it. We got it. He's all done. Good girl, little black nostril. She's got a little black. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's good. Ear scratches. Oh my gosh. Boop, boop. Okay. Tongue off the roof of the mouth. You gotta use this finger. And then down and in. And let go. And don't you spit it out. And we got it. The head shake means all done. Right? No. Let me see. Let me see. Ah, I see it. You better swallow it.
Tricky.
I see it way back in there in the spit. Now she swallowed it. Better, you go. All right.
A little sick girl. The one that needs it the most.
Pill first. Get the pill. Come on.
Open up and see meow.
Get a good grip. In, tongue, down, in. Thank you. Okay, and then we're gonna take, and we're gonna wipe. Let me stick. Go. Wait. The swollen eye. He's so swollen. Okay, give you a little break. Okay, just for a second. Put your front feet up here. I know. It stretches out the whole swollen thing and it's not fun. I know. Just getting that in there. See, not too bad. And it's easy. Look at that's better. That's better. See? Oh, okay. I'm sorry. That hurts. Just as I've had it with you. I've had it. And then we got these guys fighting. Fighting in the leg. And Mama with the spoon. And I have to get it away from her. Nicely. Mama. Can I have the spoon? Can I have it? Oh, okay. Good girl. She says, do you have something in that spoon for me? Good girl to Mama. Mama. There you go, Sissy. The baby with the sore eye even. Alright. I want Caesar this way.
Dun, 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 dun. It's exciting. Because that combines the two.
The powder cake with
Powder.
the sterile diluent.
Because you already like put the powder in there by poking
No,
it
I
out.
didn't put the powder in there.
Oh.
The powder is in there.
Oh.
You put the liquid in there.
Oh.
Kids can't pull
okay,
powder
right,
out.
okay. Then that activates it.
And I use all the same needle to do all that.
So you didn't dull it.
So I didn't dull theirs by pushing it through the
Oh, okay.
tough rubber stopper.
And then nobody's going to use that one. Okay.
Yeah, no, wrong. That's just going to be garbage.
Makes sense.
And really important is these are Lure lock syringes, which means the needle screws on. So you guys have to make sure that it's on
Super tight.
Yes.
For air.
Yes. And you pull back the amount of air that you want to put in there so that you're not going against the pressure. You pull out more than you need. And then I use the back of a utensil to make sure that you get all the air bubbles out, and then put it to the correct amount. Like so. That one's ready. Okay, so I need them facing that way.
Okay. And how do I hold?
Not so that they're
Okay, so how should I hold them?
not the back.
Okay.
Just here, let me cap this. Okay. So you want to hold her. It's nice to have them laying down. And then you just see without them arching their back up. Something like this is good.
Because you're going to go here?
Because I'm going to go like right in here.
Okay. Okay. I can already tell Wink's not going to enjoy this.
Here, let me do the butt. Oop. Okay. Hang on. See, she's arched up. I can't have her like that.
Okay, so...
We shouldn't be filming this.
Here we go. But I don't know if I'm going to be any help whatsoever. Probably not, right? Like you're just going to do it?
No, keep her there.
I know. I'm sorry, Vicky. Okay. I know.
Sorry.
Okay, I know, Buff. I know. You're not gonna like this much. Big tummy going there. Okay.
See, when you arch them up, then their
Okay.
spine is up where it can get poked, and that would be bad. So she can't be arched.
Okay.
No, I need the skin too. You're not helping. Just hold her head, like, keep her busy. Just keep her busy for a second.
Okay. You all right? Okay, gotta come down.
Don't make them yet.
Okay.
He'll get frustrated by then. Not the. Just keep his. Yeah. Like, just give him something to keep his mind occupied for a minute.
Are you okay? I know.
No. I really think you're. Just relax. Just relax. Put your butt down. Put your butt down. I hate to poke him twice too. I know, you got some tough skin there, bud. It's like a leather glove. There we go. Okay.
There you go.
Good boy.
Good job, Tikey. Everybody gets their doctor trip. You're going to be in trouble, I can tell.
Yeah. He's trouble. I need the skin, remember?
Yep.
Don't see, he's feeling how tense you are. You're tense. So you gotta, they feel that. Just
Obi.
pet him and talk to him.
Hey, Obi. Good boy, Obes. That was good. You took it like a man, kitty.
Like a champion. Good job.
No offense to non-men. How are we doing today, guys? I know you got so lucky you got to run around all this time most days, but not now because you're not feeling good. So you guys are stuck in here because you pooped on the bed. Lots of dribbles of poop yesterday, and we don't want that. No, we had to wash everything. So hopefully you guys are better soon. Get you guys to your homes as soon as we can. What's up? You guys are bored, I bet. Super bored, huh? Yeah. I know. What's up, Charlie? Q, Chai, everybody. I know. You're the big talker. Yeah, I know. Nice kitties. Meow. Meow. What's your faces? I know. Chinese music. Drinking. Busy drinking. How was supper? Always looks kind of nasty, I think, to me. But I know. I'd let you out if I could.
Side, because that's the done side. Then we go like this, and we get somebody that's not done. That's right. You need clean water too. Your turn. And in case I'm done. Poor baby. And you're done. So we put you in that side. And then we come over here. Come on, Chai. Oh, you guys. Come on, Chai. Come on, Chai girl. Oh, you gotta go back in. It's not your turn anymore. And you need a clean towel, too. Your towel is nasty. Oh, where are you going? She says, I'm gonna make a break for it. Good job on your belly kiss. Oh. And you go in this time. Over there. And then we're gonna get the water dish out. Oh, quick before anybody notices. How'd you get litter in your water dish? Way over here.
Did you guys get your pills? What's up, Charlie? I missed your pill thing. I hit the button and it didn't go. So we didn't get to see you get your pill.
Fresh water. I didn't scrub it, but it's fresh. You gotta back up. You gotta back up. You gotta stay. You gotta stay. You gotta go in. Wait, no! You can't come out because you're little poopers right now. Poopers. Gee, I wonder how litter gets in there. Why is your paw in the water?
Maybe like that.